still on the matter, still on case they grant everywhere full. Like this now, don't say how do they call them? Make I just talk this thing because the thing get as it be, in the sense that you get some kind of things they happen for our own place, like the thing will pay me because I don't see the reason why they say this kind of thing go happen like this. So they be say one place, they say one village for Imo State. Even this guy they say he do this video right now. This guy said not come from that place for Imo State. I've been say one place like that. Now one boy we say they for abroad can just look and say he parents don't they old, and the parents said the father they appetite the father leg, in the sense that they cut the father leg. So for that reason now this boy come to say he won't bring the father, make his father come stay for village, make his father then relocate come their village. So this boy can carry money, can go buy land for one particular place. And this boy buy the land finish, they come they build this house don't they go for decking. This house don't they go for decking. Small time now they come to say one boy be say for the village, you say in name na chief of youth for village, na they control youth for village. I not see the reason why we say this kind of modern life. Now one boy can't deposit himself saying na chief where they control youth for village. Now they be the ruler of the village. Now so this boy can't go carry thugs, carry hooligans, carry them go destroy this house. They say they build for this boy they build for his father. They say they amputate the father leg. This boy go destroy this thing, reach ground like that. This land that they talk about now, so to be sincere, this land has nothing to do with this boy. You understand? This land now has nothing to do with this boy, but just because of there's a hatred. People are not verse how they miss my grandma now. Because when I don't verse like this, grandma will come off my mouth. Jaga. So like this now, this boy now carry people, they go destroy this boy house. They say this boy don't spend 10 million naira for this house. To get 10 million naira for this modern life, they say coronavirus, they scatter everywhere. Not be small money. This boy go destroy like this. So how much this boy will come to raise this place again for a parent? Now this boy go there, destroy the house. Destroy just destroyed everything. Make una watch the video, then I'll come back.
Rambi say, our brother Afia Victor. Obi na USA. Obi on a program a few days ago. That was last Sunday. Obi na eba kwasimo okulora no no na aro parents ya bi ugwu Hausa. Iso abo no na aro ko relocate far from Plateau State. Or just to be precise, go Bonatafa. So he left Nigeria quite a long time ago. So Oben Yanwoke Ofubero since 2003, an engineer. So see abiko no chokolo ole yo no. I better Piyoko, according to him, I better Piyoko. So he need to get them back to their root. And that's Nandeba Joka, according to Akoka call. So the boy moved far away from his place. So on our own in secret, in fact, it was emotional you know. So this brother we dinye beba go puteliana. Ogorana 2 plots of land, 1.2 million, we mezie ifana. So let me position this thing very well. So since 2019, we be all in November. So I call him Kita no our foundation ever no nishin the youth. As na afia be Emeka, amara mo nya obo. As na Emeka bo nishin the youth to terrorize in the village here. Afia be Emeka be betinye omo eba. Due to na ya no onye nwa na nwere issue. Ha dey azana from Ifenno. I record the documentary and get play look ya can for everything to see we me. But I'm not gonna be dangerous. Or the dangerous. So on it, in fact, I'm a bully. The Emeka youth leader or village leader and a bully on your weba. On a missing work hike. Or better on Mutinia na. Engineer sin on my law betting on Moeba. A wager Joe Emeka can BC will detain on a ben mother, Emeka na koi fozo. On your one, away JB go see igwe. One the Keda figure, German figure, no. Prince, Keda figure. Igwe's air affairs and work or chairs and work or chabigwe, but Ejo go base and work or chair for 1 month. Igwe ne Quenquanoga, Bia settle all the issue. No, what if you work on me? Oh, Mokelana and Wana. When I met a bully, Imagondi, a figure youth leader, a figure village leader. I borrow you to know bully people, not terrorize the people. That is why they're saying that some of us are very, very wicked. So, Igwe worry for me, working one. And a pressure near work up, we want to work. This guy try to relocate to the family. So working one now, we be wopon mo dia ojo authority wopu dia mo because anaba na mo na banka to nyam history na nworo nya na aze azo ama mo ni iwe Emeka obu na nwoke bia la na aleta ego and all that. So ebidolo ruo na Saturday night, and okirikiri enwesiri ụlọ, people bi ebe enwe church ebe. And from Ifenna no ndị church itself nwere interest na na. Onwe church ige ntị onwe ndị na-ekwu okwe na anwụ akịta. Onwe church n'ebe a na-ekwu ikwe ha nwere interest na na, and ha na-emeka dị na mma. Ana m ekwu ya ka mma na-emeka ahụ ọ ga-apụta. You know, sometimes you ward them, you fight them. Onwere onye na-atụ egwu esi m Enugu bịa. But I will tell you the gospel truth. Ma igwe onwere onye na-atụ egwu. Ife anyị chọrọ bụ ka udo dị. Nwoke nwa na-ataga afụfụ osibi igwe ọpụta ome nke a mee nke a mee nke ọ na-achọ justice. So Saturday ka some people bịa n'ime abalị dara ụlọ akụlie. This guy etinyego 10 million naira n'ụlọ. Asị na Emeka na ndị otu ya ọha nwa tinyere ọmụ agwasị foundation ụlọ Emeka bịa kpochie ya. Nwoke nwe ụlọ sị ka ihe na-ekpochiri ala mmadụ ọ na-ebuli ya. Ya na nwoke nwere okwu before mana ọ bụrụ okwu ana. Ọ nwoke anwa ana na ebe a na onye nwe ana. Ka ọ sị gị yes no ana ya. Daddy ọkwa gị nwa ana.
Yes.
Kwa gị nwe ya. Ka ihe na-eselu gị na Emeka o ji eme gị ife a.
Amam ihe na-esere m na lab. Brother, anụrụ m ọrụ ya ba fosi akpụ fosi ọka. Ha were kwado okwu ga-ebe ka eze. Eze agba ha dat efoshala ha akpụ fosi ọka ebe lele ihe na hụ agbara. Anyị ekwe na eze eji. Ya aga mitin eze eji. Anyị agaghị etinye ọnụ na ha gbasara na ha bịakwute m ka emechie. Ya bụrụ ma emechie obere 10 years or 20 years. Etinye ọnụ ewe gbasara okwu ala etinye ọnụ ya.
The bottom line bụ na Emeka na-akpagbu maka ọ bụ onye isi na village ọkụ. All right, thank you very much. Nema ma ọ ma nwunye ya nọ onye ọbụla na-ebe akwa Emeka ọ bụrụ na ịbụ onye Mbaise weda anyị azụ Mbaise abọ Mbaise onye ọbụla ịbụ ebe anyị nọ bụ Ọkpankụ village na Amụmara ya onwe Emeka na ebe a na-terrorize people ọ na-cause our parents problem oge anyị na-apụta onwe onye nọ n'ọkada ibu ya n'ọkada asị m na ya nwebe Emeka achọrọ m ife ya. You know, you tell yourself the truth. You fight when the need be. Ka onye a na-akpa Emeka esi na-terrorize village kwuo maka ya na daddy nwere okwu je kwatuo ụlọ nwanne anyị na-alụrụ parents ya na n'ogoro ego na 1.2 million onye ọbụla ma adaza ebe azọ daddy inwe ya. You see, more than 10 million naira nwanne anyị spended ife a. Anyị ga-achọkwa Emeka, anyị ga-ejide Emeka. Onye ọbụla bụ onye obodo agwa Emeka na mụnwa bụ okwulu ọla ndị Igbo si na anyị ga-ejide ya. Abụrụ m onye ebe a bịaba emebe a before mụ na Victor nwo na abụrụ nwanne but ife ọjọọ ịkọndemụrụ ife ọjọọ one day ife ọjọọ mee gị and onye na-agbalụ mmadụ ka a na-agbalụ. You know, that is why I'm different. Adị m na ebe ife ọjọọ na-eme mmadụ kara obi ana masị ndị obodo a ka ebe unu nọ mmadụ kụkata ụlọ ịma n'ime abalị na-eju oyi mmadụ kụrụ ụlọ n'ime abalị nwere onye nụrụ mkpọtụ nke bụ na nwere onye nụ gba ime ụdị ha ma eji wee kụ ụlọ n'elu ụlọ alụsịghị ụlọ parapet ka a na-achọ ime ka erufuo ya ebido plastering bido fencing ọ mmadụ kpọrọ onwe ya Emeka leader ndị village ife na adịm ya na ọ bụ leader na village anyị ga-ejekwebi ya we are going to go to his house onye nwadara ebe a kulie you know I don't know where we'll go from here. I don't know. So akunufu so so Kefu enwe ndị na-akpọ na fon ajụ na ya kpọ soja bụ erube n'ịkpọ soja na eruo n'ịkpọ soja anyị kpọ soja anyị na-ọgwa nwa ya eziokwu anyị n'ide ịkpọ soja onye ọbụla kwuo eziokwu. So m ga-ejebe igwe anyị ga-ejebe igwe anyị jesi ebe igwe anyị jebe Emeka ka anyị malụ na Emeka ọ ga-akarị igwe Emeka karị igwe ama na Emeka ọ ya karị Chineke ọ ya karị anyị niile. Ọ bụrụ na ada ekwu eziokwu n'Imo steeti anyị si esi bịa na kwado from Enugu bịa anyị bịa ebe a ka anyị mara ife mere anyị ama mkpu Emeka pụọ n'obodo a. Anọ m na Mbaise na-agwa unu ya mụnwa bụ okwulu ọrụ adị m atụ mmadụ egwu anọ m na Mbaise ọ bụrụ na ha ga-agbachi anyị ụzọ ha gbachi ụzọ na ife Emeka mee. You say share this video, host a watch party, copy the link to your friends on Twitter, Instagram, Messenger, anywhere. Ebe anyị nọ bụ Ọkpankụ village na Amụmara Mbaise. Nwanne anyị nwoke na America, ọ bụrụ money bag, ọ bụrụ onye omego. He's not a billionaire. Mana nne na nna ya nọ n'ugwu Awụsa na-ata afụfụ and all that. Maka nata Nigeria dị. Ebego mpi ya okwu, mpi ya nọ n'ụlọ ọgwụ ebere ya okwu. This boy si ka o were na surprise ya mpi ya. Esi n'ụlọ ọgwụ kpọpụta mpi ya ebere okwu ka eduru ya dubata n'ụlọ. Ifo structure now, ifo the visual picture, omaka.
I know say you don't watch this video. You don't watch the video. You see how this boy carry people for night go there destroy this as rich grant. How human people say he get brain, human people say he get me. For me, I call him psycho. This is in this psycho. He's mental, as in he's disorder. That which English I want to use from? This guy is a riffraff. He's a non-entity. He's a bastard. He's as in like he's a wasted product. Because do you know what if even pay me now? They say, fine, will they fight for Biafra? Every day Nnamdi Kanu, they talk about Biafra. Biafra is a symbol of love, is a symbol of unity, is a symbol of unity, love, and peace. Not be the symbol of love. You understand? Symbol of Biafra, sorry to say. This Biafra say will they fight for so. When they not be say they either game Biafra, say Biafra go be state, Biafra won't be country. Okay, now, if states not feel they love themselves, if the Igbos not feel they love their selves state by state, tell me how we want to stand for Biafra matter. Tell me how we want to build them. Tell me how we want to last on it. Say we no go come fight ourselves, scatter ourselves tomorrow. This one will not be Fulani henchmen do this one. This one will not be Boko Haram. This one will be police. This one will not be army. Our own self, hatred, my own hatred. Even though say you get issues with the owner of the land, do you have issues with the person say buy this land? The person that bought this land, do you have issue with the person? If this guy is not a complete non-entity, mental disorder, now they worry this guy. Too much of Indian hemp, too much of cocaine, where the guy don't frustrate himself for village. You cannot see the reason why a young, vibrant guy will call himself youth of as in chairman of a village. It's all your mates are doing chairman of houses, chairman of businesses, chairman of good foundations, chairman of government, local government. You go there, you go village, go destroy what somebody say don't suffer for the separate. Somebody have suffered to earn money and sent 10 million naira to build a house. You go there, destroy them as if 10 million naira is 10,000 naira. This guy need to be answerable to this. These people that came to interview the owner of this land, they need to deal with this guy. This guy need to be dealt with. This is why sometimes whenever I don't they make my video, when the annoyance don't call on me, when I don't they use some kind of awful words on our Igbos. Some people can come tell me say, are they against my people? I'm calling my people names. Why won't I call their names when they refuse to allow love to lead them? They refuse to allow love to lead. Hatred between ourselves. Imagine now, there's a video I will do. I'm coming back to that video. How they go kidnap one of the traditional prince. That kidnapping, I don't know where that one come from. How can you have a heart so disheartened that you went to destroy a building like this? And besides, when did they destroy this building? Though that church, say they near that building, so the church they're not hearing. Because I got an information from this man that did interview that even this church they were eyeing the same land. So indirectly, the church has a connection with that useless non-entity, that riffraff, that wasted product, that wasted sperm. They have the connection with the guy. That's why they went to destroy this building for nothing. How can you do a thing like this? Why can you even the one that even pains me most is that even the ruler, the king of the place, has called on the attention of this. Yet this guy still went ahead and destroyed this place. This guy must be jailed. This guy must pay penalty for this. They should not allow this guy go, because this is so destructive. This is so hatred, and this is hatred and heaviness. You don't even know who bought land. You don't have an issue with the person that bought the land. You don't have an issue with the land. You have an issue with the owner of the land. So what are you destroying the land for? Why did you want to destroy this? Sorry, what are you destroying the guy building for? You can't go where the guy. You can't go where the guy is. If it's easy, you would have gotten a visa and leave. They are just according to what they are saying, this boy has been disturbing this urban area, has been disturbing the rural area of that place. He has been disturbing the old women and the old men there. This guy need to be dealt with. There are some people that need to be just waste them away because they are problem. They are so problematic and troublesome. Just go and lock them in the jail, let them just rot there. Instead to be giving people heart attack. What rubbish? What rubbish? Do you know how much it takes for you to even pack a bag of cement? Do you know how much for rods? Do you know how much he paid for the laborers? This guy needs to be answerable to this. He needs to be dealt with. He should serve an example to others. I am so angry. This is an agon that this guy just placed on the guy that owns this house. And the parents now, the father that was the leg was habitated, cannot come. You can't give, you are collecting. Eh? What kind of rubbish is this?